Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with part 2 of the Dollar General clearance event video. And I have more coupon matchups, more visuals, more pictures, more deals to share with y'all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. And just in case you missed part 1 of the Dollar General clearance event videos that I'm doing, I'm going to leave that one linked down in the pinned comment below. Definitely go check it out. You don't want to miss it. And here's a quick slide showing you guys what all is included in this weekend's clearance event. It will start tomorrow on October the 8th and run through Sunday, October the 10th. So definitely screenshot that and save it into your phone. Alright, so in this video, we're going to start off with some dental care. So we have the Fix-A-Dent Plus Adhesive Cream, and we have a 1-off-1 insert coupon in the P&G insert. Alright, next up we have the Crest Pro Health Toothpaste, 4.6 ounces. Now there was a lot of this in my clearance section. And we have a 1-off-1 insert coupon in the P&G insert. Next we have the Crest Pro Health Gum Toothpaste, 2.8 ounces. Next we have the Crest Plus Complete Whitening Cinnamon Flavored 6-ounce toothpaste. And we have a 1-off-1 insert coupon in the P&G. Next up we have the Crest Plus Intense Freshness. There was quite a few of these in my clearance section as well. This is the 5.4 ounce, and again we have that 1-off-1 insert coupon in the P&G. Next up we have the Oral-B Healthy Clean Toothbrushes, medium 6 count, and we have a 2-off-1 P&G insert coupon to go along with it. And moving right along, we have some Colgate toothpaste as well. So we have the Colgate Enamel Toothpaste, 4.6 ounce. We have that 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that makes it completely free, plus gives you overage, whether your store is 50% off or 70% off. So next up, we have the Colgate Total Whitening 4.8 ounce 2-packs, and we have that 2-off-1 digital that will work with that, making it really cheap or completely free plus overage. And also keep in mind that we do have Colgate coupons in the 10-3 Smart Source for all of these Colgate products. Now here's some major overage. So if you can find the Colgate Total Whitening 2-packs, you can use this 6-off-2 digital coupon. That makes it completely free, plus gives you $1.50 in overage. If your store is 50% off, if it's 70, that's even more. And here's some more overage with that 2-off-1 Colgate coupon. If you can find the Colgate Total Whitening Advanced Whitening 5.1 ounces, that'll make it completely free, plus give you overage. Now this next one, there are a ton of these at my store. So we have Colgate Sparkling White Toothpaste Mint Zing Gel, 6 ounces, okay? We have a 2-off-2 in the 10-3 Smart Source that should work with this, and that'll make it completely free, plus give you overage. Next up, we have the Colgate Zero Mouthwash, and we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that makes it completely free, plus gives you overage. Now, this next product may still be in its regular spot. It was at my store. So we have the Colgate Max White Toothbrush Mediums, and we have that 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that makes it completely free, plus gives you overage. Next, we have the Colgate 360 Charcoal Toothbrush, and if you have that 2-off-1 digital coupon, that'll make it completely free, plus gives you overage. Alright, now we're going to move into the Hello Toothpaste. We have the Sensitivity Relief Soothing Mint, we have the Kids Natural Watermelon, and we have the Extra Freshening Hemp Seed Oil Fluoride Toothpaste. Next, we have the Hello Hemp Seed Oil Mouthwash. And right behind it, we have the Toms of Maine Wicked Fresh Mouthwash. And we also have the Toms of Maine Anti-Plaque and Whitening Peppermint Toothpaste. And we have that 2-off-1 digital coupon that works with this, making it really cheap or gives you overage. Next up, we have the Dial Power Berry Scent 3-count bar soap. Next up, we have the Dial Gold Bar Soap 8-count. And we have that 2-off-2 digital coupon. Next up, we have the Dial Antibacterial Soap, Icy Aloe Scented, and 10 count. You can use that 2-off-2 digital coupon on these as well. Next up, we have the Tone Body Wash Brazilian Glam, 16 ounces. If you can find 2 of these, use that 2-off-2 digital coupon. And I also just wanted to throw this out there. I'm not sure if these are included or not, but I would definitely scan them if you see them in your stores. So you got the Tone Body Wash Radiant Glow and the Tone Body Wash Mango. Definitely scan those to see if they're half off. Next up, we have the Dial Complete Foaming Hand Wash. I told you all about this earlier in the week, and we have that 1-off-2 digital coupon. Next up, we have the Soft Soap Hand Soap Refills 32-ounce bottles. And we also have some small 7.5-ounce bottles of the Soft Soap Aloe Hand Soap. And we also have the Suave Hand Soap, the Coconut Water Scent, or the Pink Grapefruit. And we have an instant savings. When you spend $8 on Suave products, you'll instantly save $2 at the register. Next up, we have the Safeguard Hand Soap Refills, 25-ounce bottles. Pick up 3 of those and use that 5-off-3 digital coupon, and that makes it a really awesome deal. And we also have the Purell Naturals Hand Sanitizer. Next, we have the Studio Selection Age Daring Body Wash, 18 ounces. We also have the Old Spice Body Wash Hydro Live Wire, 16 ounce. And we also have the Axe Body Wash for Men Excite Scent, 16 ounces. And we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon to go along with that as well. Next up, we have the Tresemme Shampoo and Conditioner Flawless Curls 28-ounce bottles. Now, we also have that instant savings deal. When you spend $8 on Tresemme products, you'll instantly save $2 at the register. And here's another Tresemme product. So we have the Tresemme Hairspray Unscented 10 ounces. And here's some more products that go along with that instant savings. We have the Suave Shampoo and Conditioner Lavender and Almond Oil. And we also have the Suave Professional Shampoo and Conditioner Rose Oil Infusion. And the Suave Gold Shampoo and Conditioner 2-pack Moroccan Shine. Next, we have the Suave Pro Flex Curl Control Mousse 7 ounce, and that's also included in that instant savings deal. Next up, we have the Herbal Essences Color Me Happy Shampoo and Conditioner. If you can find 2 of those, use that 2-off-2 digital coupon, and that makes for a really great deal. And I told you all about this one earlier in the week, the Dove Dermacare Scalp Shampoo Dryness and Itch Relief, 12 ounces. We have that $150 off 1 digital coupon. If you can find these, that'll make it completely free or give you overage. And if you can find 2 of the Dove Dermacare shampoos, you can use that $250 off 2 digital coupon. Next up, we have the Head & Shoulders Green Apple 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioners. If you can find 2 of those, use that 3 off 2 digital coupon, and again, makes for a really awesome deal. And then that 3 off 2 digital coupon will also work on the Head & Shoulders Clinical Strength Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Next up, we have the Clairol Nice and Easy Hair Color, and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon that'll go with that, making it really cheap or giving you overage. Next up, we have the U by Kotex Security Tampons Multi-Pack, 15 count, and if you pick this up, don't forget to scan it in to fetch rewards. Now, these 2 items were in their regular spot. You can see those 10% off tags right there. That's what you want to be on the lookout for. So we have the Breeze Unscented and Scented Tampons, 20 count. Next up, we have the Always Discreet Pads, 20 count, and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. Now, if you have 2 of those at your store, pick up 2 of them, use that 5 off 2 digital coupon, and that makes for a really awesome deal as well. And we also have the Rexall Composure Underwear for women, 9 count. Alright, next up we have some deodorants. So we have the Old Spice Fresh Collection Fiji Scent. If you can pick up 3 of these, use that 5 off 3 digital coupon. And we also have the Dove Sensitive Skin Deodorant, 2.6 ounces. We also have Tom's of Maine Long Lasting Unscented Deodorant, 2.25 ounce. And we have Mitchum for Women Deodorant, 2.25 ounce Powder Fresh. And we have a 50 cent off 1 digital coupon that'll go along with it. Next up, we have the Little Simple Moisturizing Facial Washes. Next up, we have the St. Ives Body Cream, and if you have that 1 off 1 Beauty Bag exclusive coupon on your account, that will work with these St. Ives products. And we also have the St. Ives Face Moisturizer Watermelon Scent, and again, that 1 off 1 Beauty Bag exclusive will work with this item. Next up, we have the St. Ives Face Scrub Avocado and Honey 6 ounce. And again, that 1-off-1 beauty bag exclusive will work with this product. Next up, we have the Suave Advanced Therapy Lotion, 3 ounces. And again, that falls under that instant savings of spend 8 and you'll instantly save 2. Next, we have Aveeno Daily Moisture Lotion, 5 ounces. And there's a big variety of Studio Selection products as well. So we have the Hydrating Facial Mist Aloe and Cucumber. We have the Gentle Skin Cleanser, 8 ounces. And we have the Facial Cleaning Buffs, 2 count. We also have some Studio Selection Moisturizing Beauty Lotion, 6 ounces. Next up, we have the Neutrogena Deep Clean Facial Cleanser, 6.7 ounces. And we also have the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipes, singles, 20 count. And we have a 150 off 1 digital coupon that will work with this product. And we also have the Neutrogena Foaming Scrub Pink Grapefruit, 4.2 ounce. Next up, we have the Gold Bond Neck and Chest Firming Skin Cream, 2 ounces. And we have the Dove Intense Cream Moisturizer, 5.07 ounces. And if you pick this up, double check your Ibotta accounts because I'm pretty sure we have a rebate on there for this product. Next up, we have the Vaseline Intensive Care Essential Healing Lotion, 10 ounce bottles. And we have the 11 ounce DG Body Cocoa Butter Lotion. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. There may possibly be a part 3. I still have quite a few items that I would love to tell you all about, but I've told you all the majority of it and the majority of the coupon matchups. Now there's a few more left. I need to take a little bit of a break to get ready for our trip tomorrow, and then if I have time, I'll do another video this evening. If not, I will be posting in the community tab. Now if you missed part 1, like I said, I'm going to leave that link down below. And if you don't know what a clearance event is, if you want more information or if you have questions, definitely go and check out my Dollar General clearance event video. It has everything that you need to know. I go over the most asked questions and I give you guys all of the information that I have and all the little tips and tricks. So all of that's going to be linked in the pinned comment down below. Now, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Last time that I hit a big milestone, which was 10,000 subscribers, it was during a clearance event. So it would be so awesome if this weekend we could hit 15,000 subscribers. We are very, very close. So if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And if you know somebody, if you have a friend or a family member who's not subscribed, go ahead and send this video to them and get them to hit that subscribe button. Also, guys, turn on your notification bell. That way, if I have time this evening and I put together a part 3, you all will be notified, and when I make posts in the community tab, you'll be notified as well. And please give the video a big thumbs up. Y'all, it makes a huge difference. Last Friday, my 5 off 25 video got over 8,000 views, and that's all because of you guys, because you're watching the video, you're giving it a thumbs up, you're leaving comments, you're sharing the video, you're hitting the subscribe button. All of those little things really do make a huge difference. So please hit that thumbs up button. Also, leave me a comment down below because I just genuinely love hearing from you guys and reading your comments. So leave me something down below, even if it's just a hello. And also, please share the video. That way, some more people can get in on these deals this weekend. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful evening, and I will see you on the next one.